days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how
it's official, guys. I want to go back. It's real. Real. Don't you worry, child.
Don't you worry now. Yeah.
These stories started here in the UK, which is why they're here today. But the love you guys gave these three guys. So for the last time ever in the UK, Milton Keynes, make some noise. The Swedish House Mafia.
There was a time I met a girl of a different kind. We ruled the world. I thought I'd never lose her outside. We were so young. I think of her now and then. I still hear the songs reminding me of a friend. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah.
We've been waiting for this night, and we could never have pictured it like this. So thank you so much for coming down.